Only you know the things God has placed deep in your heart. Sometimes well meaning people can try to talk you out of your dreams because they don't see what you see with your eyes of faith. Stay true to what God has promised you, even when people say no. God will finish all that He has started in your life. The delay will be turned into a miracle for you. God is going to put a new song in your heart. This is season where God will amaze you with His goodness and favor. You are going to see your prayers answered. Don't give up. Never let go of the promise. I am feeling breakthrough for you. Hard situation shall be made easy by the hand of God. You need to preserve so that when you have done the will of God, you will receive what He has promised. God is teaching you how to endure unfavorable circumstances. If you can withstand a storm, you can sustain a blessing. Jesus, I need you. I can't do this alone. Before this month ends, God is going to transfer a major life-changing blessings to you. I don't know who is this for, but God is going to bless you with more than what you ask for. If this is for you, type and shout, "This is for me." Good things have been released from heaven and they are headed to your address. I declare something you prayed for is about to arrive. Type Amen if you are depending on God right now. I believe and declare that as you type Amen, God is opening a new doors for you. Breaking news. God says, I heard your prayers. Before the end of this month, you will receive what you have been waiting for. I have big plan for you. Your days will be filled with blessings, advancement, and growth. Blessings are coming your way. Angels are protecting you. The Holy Spirit is guiding you. Your finances will multiply. Your health will improve. All you need will be met. Today will be filled with blessings and opportunities. They said you wouldn't make it. They said you didn't deserve it. They tried to stop you from receiving my best. I know that all your blessings come from me. What I promised you, no one can take, block, or destroy. Stay in faith, your breakthrough is here. I am changing your zip code. I am taking you to a new place. I am doing a new things in your life. It's time for you to smile again. Never forget, you are not alone in this. Let me help you. My angels are with you already. Relax and just trust me. I have amazing plan for you. In fact, that's why you need to get excited again. Because the plans I have for you are greater than you could ever ask or think. The best is yet to come. Speak it into existence. Something very good is coming your way. Good news, good times, good relationships, good health, and many blessings. Your prayers have been heard by God. He is honoring your faith with blessings, new opportunities, and breakthroughs. Type Amen if you believe in God. If you like this message, please subscribe for more and hit the bell icon to get new video notification.